Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic piece of fitness equipment that caught our attention, the Circuit Fitness Folding Upright Exercise Bike, model AMZ-150BK. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Circuit Fitness AMZ-150BK is a versatile and compact exercise bike designed to bring the gym experience right into your home. With its folding design, it's perfect for those of us with limited space, allowing for a convenient, effective workout without taking up too much room. It's engineered to accommodate users up to 250 pounds, making it accessible for a wide range of fitness enthusiasts. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this exercise bike. First and foremost, it boasts a heavy-duty steel construction. This premium steel frame not only adds durability but also ensures that the bike can withstand rigorous workouts. The powder-coated finish enhances its lifespan, making it a solid investment for your home gym. One of the notable features of the AMZ-150BK is the customizable cycling workout it provides. It comes equipped with a manual magnetic resistance mechanism. This means you can adjust the resistance to simulate various biking terrains, making it suitable for all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to ease into your routine or an advanced cyclist wanting to ramp up the intensity, this bike has you covered. Another great aspect is the easy-to-read LCD monitor. It displays essential workout metrics such as the distance traveled, current speed, time elapsed, and calories burned. Plus, it includes a pulse sensor, allowing you to monitor your heart rate as you ride. This information is crucial for tracking your progress and staying motivated. And don't forget about the media rack. It's a handy feature that lets you keep your favorite device or book within reach, perfect for those longer workout sessions. Safety and comfort are also prioritized in the design of this bike. The textured non-slip pedals are ergonomically designed to securely grip your feet, ensuring a stable ride. They also come with safety straps, preventing any accidental slips during your workout. This thoughtful design helps you focus on your cycling without worrying about your grip. Now, who is this exercise bike suitable for? The Circuit Fitness AMZ-150BK is ideal for anyone looking to add cardiovascular exercise to their routine. Whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or a retiree, this bike fits seamlessly into various lifestyles. Its foldable design makes it incredibly convenient for small apartments or home gyms, allowing you to store it away when not in use. In terms of practical use cases, you might consider using this bike for a morning workout session before starting your day or as a low-impact option for rehabilitation. It's also a great way to incorporate exercise into your daily routine while watching TV or reading. The customizable resistance levels mean you can easily adjust your workout as you progress, ensuring it remains challenging and engaging. In conclusion, the Circuit Fitness Folding Upright Exercise Bike AMZ-150BK is a well-rounded piece of equipment that caters to a broad audience. With its durable construction, customizable workout options, and space-saving design, it can enhance your fitness journey whether you're just starting out or looking to maintain your fitness goals. Thanks for watching.